Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the most loved Android football game, that is PES 18. So let's get started. So as you open your PES, in the match menu you will find event mode, campaign, play distant owner, play locally. So in the event mode you will find daily challenges, versus challenges and many other events. So in this event mode you can get more GP, more club coins. So in the clubhouse menu you will get the squad management, my team, achievement and practice. So in the squad management you will find your squad and you can switch between the substitution bench and reserve bench player for best suitable formation and your best suitable composition of players. You can also change your coach from here and change the manager as you like it. In my team menu you will get player, trainers, training, manager, scout, asset. In the player option you will find all the player in your squad, like the substitution bench, the starting lineup and the reserve bench all together. From here, if you want to release a player, just click on someone. Like for example, I want to get rid of this goalkeeper Tono, so I'll click here and then I will hit the release button. As you hit the release button, it will show you 190 GP will be obtained. Proceed yes or no. So I will press yes and see the player will go off from my squad. You can also convert any player into trainer from selecting the player, then clicking on the option convert into a trainer. Next, in the contract menu we have the special agent, auction, agent, scout and manager. We can buy player using these two option, like special agent and agent. In special agent we can see you can buy player from the box draw using 250 coins or 2500 coins, and in agent menu you can buy player using GP, that is 10,000 GP or 250 coins, and you can choose the position you want to buy player for, like in forward position, midfield position, defender and goalkeeper. You will be randomly given a ball that contains black ball, golden or silver or bronze ball, and according to that you will be given a player of that rating. And then there is extras menu. In here you will get record, user details, settings, then help, friend list, support, and this friend list option is newly introduced in PES 18 and it was not present in PES 17, and it is really interesting feature. Later in this video I'll explain how to connect to a friend and play online. So for playing matches you can go to event mode or campaign, but for playing with friends you have to go play distant owner menu. So just follow the steps. So for playing with friends online you have to go to extras, then on the user detail, then you will find the owner ID. So in the owner ID there will be ID given. Just copy the ID and then send the ID to any of your friends via WhatsApp, Facebook, anything. And then just hit on the friend list option here in the extras. Then you can find the friend request that has been sent to you in this section, and then you can just accept the friend request and you are good to go. And if you want to search any other owner ID or any other player or any other friends, then just go for owner search and place the unique ID that has been provided by them and just search here like this and you will get them, and just send a friend request. As soon as they accept the friend request you are good to go and you will be shown in the friend list. So after this, as you have already sent the friend request and you have already seen the friend request and all that, you can see your friend list from this option, friend list option. Then if you want to play match with your friends, just hit on the match menu, then go to play distant owner and then go to friend match. In the friend match you will see your friend list buddies, and if you want to play with them, just hit on any of the player, just hit here like this and just go on next and next, and you will see you can play with your friends. So like this you can always play with your friends online and enjoy the game. So I think this video will help you out to understand PES 18 more efficiently, and you can get more black ball player and build your team superbly. So peace out.